How can I eat this silly me? Say RIP to Sharon Bame. It's painful. I didn't know, Mammy, no man would never get a book here. I love what you were there, you die. I'm going to try to go get you know. Tu have to think about it. You know, pass. You can't do that, say. I'm a million. Why you there? Who have salon? What I said your way. I'm giving you when ya. Who you pass to do, many. Where do we want for you? Nago, society. Sharon, my beautiful sister, may your soul rest in perfect peace. Now, you give me a yawigino. Why so soon?
Shut into this. I see you and I wish you off with you. What for again?
connais tout laissé. Ama ebio avec nous wayete. Ou salon, moi la tête. What the sérieux ouais. Amie vine du wenya. Ou yo basu du mene. Ouais, tu veux ma corio wara. Et ou. Lagmo. Sharon, my beautiful sister.
Share this video, guys.
May your soul rest in perfect peace. Now, you make me a yawigino. You got a shadow, yeah, she don't know. Shadow don't go, yeah, she don't know. Yeah, this soul. You got a shadow, why? Why so soon?
All right, my lovely people. I greet you all with better start now. Good evening. Depends on whatever you watch this video for. Please share this video. I'm gonna waste time for this video. You understand? We don't want to talk before, but if I see somebody lie, if I see somebody lie, they're going to see the real fact, but they don't decide to talk live on media. I don't know what they want to really get. They know the truth, the truth just they open for people. You see, I said updates about Sharon dead body. You understand? I see some of our presenters talk about Sharon, say they see Sharon dead body. Many of them don't see the video, both for Facebook or TikTok. Wait, let's start with that TikTok too. With this my phone. Think so. Think I should do that. Because when we archive Facebook, we archive TikTok. Please, you guys should share this video. This day I was in my TikTok. That's the debut. Any music. Anyone, copyright okay, copyright biwa. Ni poi mena wa yibi na mena yana ngasa sino chine ndeguna. Awera mechi no jama me. Owa de manyam. Okay, let's go there. So guys, share this video. So I did for Facebook and so I did for TikTok. Think I should go live on TikTok, right? It's very important. All right, so guys, share the video. It's very important. The reason why I come out this evening is because this live now, this is Yama the day way the things in and get. You understand? And the rest of that so-called social media live video presenters, let's never high. Put up for heads. So that will talk dead body matter. Suppose me drink the table. Understand? talk about the body matter. So maybe say your table carry load. One as mana benoi okay. A book by me mana. So na lao. Na go make a video now. Na guy no get babo. O get wa ni awu gbe kin no concern Ikinegbe Isharon, you know I see. No you pa me. Do my drink. Ne. Imam wono wa yoku wage. One kidney woman. Easy no your mauji. Ovie stane no ye Caesar. A news you know made that you know there. A newspaper always Sharon him. Hello? Hello. I greet you. Everywhere good. Who's my guy, my brother? They're not voting for about this man. I don't know the talk. You introduce yourself with me, I know the talk. What are you page again now? Nobody does see repeat of it. Oh no. That's ridiculous. FP Entertainment. I greet you. What's up? Thank you very much. Yeah. It's ciao. Alright. Please guys, share the video. We'll chop these words more. We'll not go to rush now. As the hot. Kate on the Aguguan. The presenter is already by Iziegbe. No be a star. What here to when we are Iziegbe to ta. You do what we see no ho. Is a star, no be Caesar. Iziegbe, I believe you say you go school. This newspaper, you're supposed to read down, finish. And at the same time, for those of you who will be live video presenters, not only look what Frank talk for this social media. Before you start the broadcast, try to verify your own. If you want to make your page stand safe as a genuine page with the honest, with the talk and the team be. If Frank talking, go verify. Let me say Frank say then you come go moment come use hand picture say yes now truth. We mad Frank to Ogi. You understand? Iziegbe came out yesterday, do video talk about this newspaper. And so him buy this newspaper. And Marshall sue hospital. You understand? He sued their hospital for 90-something euro, blah blah blah. Talk everything, come out for live video. At the end of the day, say Sharon the body, the season. I mean they don't go bury Sharon. Blah blah blah. Talk everything. Now, presenters now don't carry. Because all those presenters will not get content with the analyze people video. Now what people thought they analyze, that's when they blame them. Because now man over here. They all count this stupid pass for inside. Narrator FB, Kokobiri wife. The most useless presenter for the social media will not get sense. Where they beat person because of your thing. The most stupid presenter where we say musician now he beat you for the saga, beat you black and blue for somebody. He beat you finish, he drop you for ground. He leave you when they fight, when they talk, they go. There you go and say big job. She come and sits down. This talk story we know. This and the person we say a doctor for Germany, in a nurse. In your years school with Deutschland. A newspaper not our phone might see you don't feel it down. May you know what's in the right for that newspaper. May you know the contents that people that carry. Then say. Now on the talk. Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all with better style. Me, I know they use they say they talk. And they follow waiting this newspaper. Now they talk for this matter. Waiting the right for this newspaper with Italy, you can translate it. It's very easy. If you translate, I mean you know waiting they there. Waiting they about Sharon body. They see Sharon dead body. True or false? Yes. True. The season. Now, how they take season? And why the season? When the season? Where the season? That's the question. Which many people want to know. Very good. Everything inside this paper, this newspaper, everything, all these questions we are asked, everything inside this newspaper. There's still season thing now? No. There's still season thing they do service a song? No. Now, easy saying on the 25, they want very sharp. And one character go Nigeria. Blah blah. At the end of the day, they don't catch come out. Talk many story which is easy. Omolo you they talk. Fake news with shadow easy. Omolo you they give come out about shadow the body. I just that they look at. Not the reason why. Now that one they pain easy because you know they carry easy along again. Now social media is because they hear story about our friend because she's an enemy to the family. Now, why they seize the dead body and when they seize this dead body, when Sharon buy, if you now go read this newspaper, you now go hear the full story how Sharon take buy. You see all this whole presenter they talk. Now so you buy for toilet, now so they sleep for toilet, now so you want go shit, now so you fall, now so vein cut, now so this one do this one, so this one do this one. All those many talk that they talk. Go read newspaper. If you read this newspaper, you don't go ask question again. You go know where the whole story they go. Because many of those stories, it did this newspaper. Anything will concern the death for that hospital, it did this newspaper. You understand? Now, after Sharon by, Peking will give a woman will give a Peking breast before you go hospital. For your entire blast go hospital. You not come back again. Now the body can't come back. Then the doctor, the lawyer take action, see something is wrong somewhere. Immediately the lawyer take action, the lawyer sue the hospital. Then they have to do autopsy for Sharon. Make them know waiting really by Sharon. Then everybody have to stay away from that dead body. We don't know if they want to do autopsy. Nobody will touch dead body again. The body now belongs to the hospital, to the government. The body now belongs to the government. So they are doing autopsy on Sharon. Waiting by Sharon. Everything we talk so there is newspaper. That moment, they put band for Sharon dead body. And everything about Sharon, both the document and everything, was seized by the government until 60 days. Go read this newspaper. You will see everything we are talking about this newspaper. They seized that dead body for 60 days until they go see waiting kill Sharon before they go release them to the family. Before 60 days, the result of the autopsy came out. And Sharon's dead body was released. Everything did this newspaper. How did they release her? You understand? Everything they this paper. Nobody they read that place, so nobody read and go there. The one way is yours use per body talk for live video. 9% they carry the announce this money. Say they 6 channel on the body. So before the 60 days band where they put say nobody should come close to her, the result came out and they released her to the family. The family cannot go ahead and bury her. The corpse now belongs to the family. Before the family can't do service of song for Sharon on the 21st on Saturday. We be say many of them don't know. Now they feel me so. This one will be say is here be no your mom you know who are you off and home battery. That off and home woman. We have you every Friday hospital. Come and call the talk anyhow. A sister no more the bottle when no see him. You will not see the German sister. Ya put the donation. Or with the donation not you put the day. Or can you bear in us? You will not see him. I deceive. I have single more than the very more the bottle. Nima go or come. I believe so on the year within the talk. Everything where they talk now, they this news, but that's why I bring this newspaper come out. When I go read down. For those that want still need the newspaper, I get on my phone. You understand? I feel send the newspaper come for you. You go translate them. May you read down. You understand? May you read down. May you for know what they talk. As you see so. Everything many things we don't know. It plenty. Because not be everything they go talk on social media. You understand? Not be everything they will talk on social media. Make this my phone will make noise so. Make lower. Because this is not time to pick up. You understand? So Sharon's dead body is not seized, and when I share the video, and Sharon's body is going to be taken to Nigeria at when all the document is completed from Nigeria embassy. You understand? Including Nigeria himself. Now 2 flights Sharon will take go Nigeria. As one reach Lagos, another one they move from Lagos, they go Benin. You understand? So all these things, all the flight we will move on from Lagos to Benin, or everything have to be sent to Italian government direct. So not is easy thing. So all those one what they call them off our home battery easy no be more you. Only no mic no here mudare o say oga an evil friend. O salo bonego wazo saving na zingbe no your moji. O salo bonego iye dan biwa. Iye no ye na Esther no ye Caesar. O salo bonego Esther no ye Caesar. Iye na Esther no ye Caesar. No busy yegbe. Salo bonego biwa. O ko no hie mwen we reju ebila. Iziegbe tota a secret you nya kudu ha ma ladnya okade ya igbe secret you ladnya social media na ya clear we pe de ke bo sika no ina ye bo sika no ina Iziegbe lawa ona we na share news ya dey atare live video e mo na ti ma kale kwa ma share news akalo ta gbegbo si gbon wa o si bana tawe chop the flesh and leave the bone gbegbo si gbon master Iziegbe ina your boss second we to be educated you don't do akin mu educated babu obokian kuwe ka wo se ni o ga no si gagbe awo se ri yon wa are gian no ro wa gian no ro de okay damn we what they useless Irenia. O salobua who does ya kpa ori ole. Mami we Wena no wo se gwe wisi egbe eru ni me na no so lo bo no yo mogwe na be mi ono ho that time you no be care your head if you see person wey still knock you put up for your quick so woto me you carry belle me you born then your pikin go grow reach to give you water drink go come buy for your eye. I know say you not go feel am because looking at you alone they go know say you not feel anything. The man dey America. But the plan where you be plan, it not work. That's why they pay you. Because when we hear beer, who we are taking more. That's your plan. Unfortunately, you not wanna for my moon when you are more. If I need been a new winner. You not what a moon. A buwete mu you not one. Me no more zoo. More see where a bonnet to clear away you not worry. Because of money to go when but you have money. Ute ya woman no make na ami ebo ge no ami igori ekpo nu o wa gbon ugo so ohin o so wa gukere una wa de fun wa tie ebo una wa ta mebo obi egu ono ya ju mo ohu no ni make na asandi gogo e oni na hu oni ego ejogi yegbon una ya mu mimi na mu wa mi me no we video ka utebo udewe yan ve ado yere igogo voyi enu adese igogo onya voyi izinu we mo oji uya de na gun eye agun opiri yi me ma we yan we lewe eri ka na mi mi ope a emere alaluwe we ya yi odika wa bi na kana na wa yo sha na wa tere gba we oni ke pare Nigeria ya mu ne kuri yi me mere lewe ebi bu me gbo e ima oni saga we because nye wa gu yoroku o se mana oni saga we benu gwe je na e doesn't go here wu e comment kam gwe ne o si e na oni saga we ima oni ya ri oboye no fe kere because we ya change side we change batch hospital every year every 1 hour. Hospital e best no we wo dia wo payan ware onwina umeye no mu we wa ayemi omo akwa yemi idi agbon ya part 1 and 2 idi agbon ya part 1 and 2 meno omozo uwiye sharon mateka laki me uwiye sharon malake monica na magi mani ye malak mayegi gugun isi egbe no yo ma oji koyo when ye sharon like wo gbe ye sharon emedia when ye sharon like wo gbe ye sharon emedia owu ye sharon okwo ye fo when na ye lagwa oni o no mu oji buma ko bi ye fo wa na ye sharon ko bi ye fo wa inowota na ni shama iguna eye na ko for why ni you ya for what is then what have you done when imagine eko when nana morion una yo ye shama ya agu peso ko ya hari su ya o kiri na le su ya egbe na ru eko awosi dan obuji me la Wose daroro ame Jesu no bu wose daroro ame o haro beraro bi wose iba bohia la se dan leve o se no pretend leve to hia su hungu patona to kose no ma wele me o ga so da o me awurere o ga siyeki o ga bia ni wa iba bo la igbe e pint no ro eku o ga so lo wa de seki hanyi ni je dukun gwe Kose. No man love him, ona ya mo ime wo, ona ya pompo, ona ya o ime ko, ni yen ya ime guest me, uhu asun we de wo wa. Iba bota la egbe, babo ho la egbe, o se na gesharon, o saloboa, o dazi, any o se no ye la yisi no yo mo yi, saloboa kwero ro me. O se no ye la yisi no yo mo yi, kwero ro me. O se no ye la yisi no yo mo yi, kwero ro me. O se ni to ga sun o se no ye na gizi no mo yi ba bo like because as o se no ye na gizi no mo yi No yena egbomo uji. Egbe no ngale we zosi uyu hunta. Iye star no ye siza. Ogu keke zosi keke na yu hunta. Oh yeah. Izye gbe no yama uji. Ogwe Sharon zosi e Sharon yu hunta. Iye waze tunaso. Omo uwe degbe aze no tunaso. E ogbomo. No tema tami mo yo yiko e won tana e kon agaka le kwa. You see the reason why a boy na gboji for your mind. You got go live video. Oh we ye Sharon or Gumeguan. I can screw all my phones. Iye Sharon no be Sharon phone man. Do I me call up but constant Iye Sharon phone man. The only time me Sharon go it is when the have raise the phone. The Sharon. So all these things I'm saying, you know it's true. It hurts. So why are you evil? I don't want to drink. I want you. So this one was full man. I'm gonna block you. Let me leave you made the mad. Watching somebody who was so mad. What's your name? Me where even meta or balwa be? Is yet we know your mom Jona. Umaela dian one day. Easy no emoji. Umaela dian one day. No time the whole world. Then into yakim where bila. Umaeta. When you ya feel look here. You don't do a mila. Oh, I'm you not targeting here. Share this video. Story. This not so past story. I want to drink my beer. This not so past story. Young with your come. Oh, do my drink. I want you. Awuyore. Umaega mi biedo. Ekini wega do reju emila. Akele mi ya but hospital na. Umaega mi biedo. Eziegbe. No maziegbe. Omo uji. Na enwo uji. Hey God. Koyo. Do my dear. No what seven men. Seven men be agoyabia. No rovieve le be agoyabia. E bonu watini men yo me ya robos. O me ya o ya puf. Me no omozo. Morema mo me gbade made na. Ya was one ya tene gbizi mazi. No wana papa e ma ti ka mani je na sankan o je na mo ya gweze. Ho. Omo na mu ye body school. Wala gmo me de so bibia. Oyes was wo. O ha gi ye gwegbon na yawu. Easy oye na gmo na ya beg obi mami water. Mami water give me picking. Mami water give me picking. Easy omo na ya beg eze no. Eze de mi nipa na imi na gbokele o. Ria magume Ori zire o. Mena esta no yesiza. More do no wamo. Enika odododo. Ogbe ni ke gwalomo gi mamie. Iwe kaludori mamie mo. Eina buware nu wari omo me. Mena esta no yesiza. Wari omo ko ne sogbo me. Wagani me ga gbaroge. Ebi no ri no iga une iyari o aweta ga se no ni ka gba se yo ama esu pede ha okwo na go ha wa bagi ha na go ha mo ko de sogbo iyare ake pe ba won ko ya ha ma bia ga bi okwo ne izaga ama ri soto no ye tele buwa go mo inyanga ana so ga gbe si wo iyogoro esi wo si wo ge na ri gbe no ko no bia inyanga esi wo si wo na ri gbe no ko no bia iyoro ama esu pe ha mo ga mo wan ne inyanga ama na wanda na wa wo na ego inyanga awa da fe na na ri bi omo na inyanga ama won na ri ayo we bi ni kiri inyanga ake ba pa la we bi na wa iyogoro ayo we bi na wa na ya mo ye body school iwen iye gbogbo gari ewe bo inyanga gbogbo gari ewe bo ya ga mu ne mo inyanga ari ke gari yu hi ari ke gari yo ni san inyanga na mi go ya kokoma na bia inyanga mami wataru wese inyanga mami wataru wese e mami wata ni menye do e fanta yanwo mami wata la me webo e small start jini yagbe nwa mami wata ni menye do mami keri ra we doggy mami wata le webo e doggy ya ye inyanga mami wata le webo e doggy ya like inyanga yanga ni sango do hunya ni ye kero inyanga mami wata no we sopi mami wata na gi mi lewe bo inyanga iya lake dido ya inyanga o gberi ro agazi dido inyanga agazi dido agazi yu inyanga dido inyanga isi no ya maru yi mami wata na to oge mami wata na one kidney inyanga mami wata wa ye kidney no pa amu gimawe. God, I don't feel laugh. Easy, you know, say, I know the saga you. I just they pity you. Because your money beg once you go. Your money don't beg once you go. No, you're cool. Because everywhere be. Now, so you fly the whole world. You get this passport. You get any passport. You get heaven ahead. And at the end, you have a bad mind. Or when you man beg ben take by daze. No matter where you are, or where you are a best friend. No guy me here you own. You don't ever want down. Yes. I'm talking. But man, they are me here you own. I was when you guy. When I come up no woman, why me here you own? They go know what to be life. Now when you say you never prepare for their high, so they misbehave. They jump up as like scorpion. On in Ladian. On in Ozek Bashaw with talking. Oh, milky of Turkey. On is a Gageka with talking. When not Gageka, not how they talking, I'm talking. Oh, milky of talking. Oh, is a Goeka, Eke Toka. Yes, is that. They go Eke Toka. On Eke Toka, Eke Toka, like kissing on high patabu, or you who are one, or you will be able to walk over like Eke Toka. Oh. When I bash with talking, we river. Bounty ye gone. And we know soon that will not bash with talking, or soon that will not bash with grease. Yan grease up with Koyako. Grease one and another. Oh, God. Earlier, body and well. In my day, okay. That's not when you have the UK. In my day, okay. Even the UK in Yaji, in my day, okay. My is one arguer. Correct now, I'm a documented immigrant. Mine are undocumented idiot. I'm not a documented idiot. I'm not before. Before I was undocumented idiot. Right now, I'm not a documented idiot. Why is no? Or Casaka when I Monica, not on J boy to the life of Anahona. I am going to you and I. Don't not born you and I don't not born in I. If Monica gone up from the corner. Mary when I go, why are we Monica? I block money. I knew I'm money blockade. They were not going. Don't not go. What was when you were not going? I will not going in where Monica. Who write that person? Who write that? Oye Bugatti. Who write that thing? When I write the person in the comment. Thank you very much. Who write that thing? Now me they talk. Say Frank, return anybody want return. Now me you go insult, don't insult anybody we not there. Who write that thing? Onye Bugatti. Write me the person name. Come on, me and block that person. Who write that rubbish for my platform? One says over. Es Monica Saga. Na Saga Monica what do been rubbish yo. To do Saga empty one. Assassin Monica Saga. Dog Monica. Who be the person with that? Somebody they reply. Diva Bella. You reply the person. Who write that thing? Who write that thing? Oye Bugatti. Yeah, I see that comment again for you. Man, understand me now. I'm going to see the okay, not daily waiting. Daily fantasy. Okay. Let me see the daily fantasy. Que não quer daily fantasy deal. Community fantasy não. Aquilo fantasy não. Daily fantasy video. On a un fancy maintenant. Pas bon live. Comment on garde ça? Bloquer ce vidéo. À bloc. Bloc elle. Fancy mes autres. On est cure. Mais fancy mes cure. Share this video. 800 people watching. We ma be love like you. We wa mo dey down history. Yeah, more original story you are. We are plus love like. One Australian goat. You get one Australian goat. Who was insulting me? He not say when I reply that Australian goat. It's Australian goat. Because others want a great page. You understand? Australian goat, you know, or women here born in Sharon. You understand? I don't say about me, with the man. When well, one does want a great page. We got to know ya great page. You can't say you want because I said you probably plan Australian goat, Larry. Una gile me money when Australian. Women, or she to gile watch a video. Again, easier or more you know who are off our own woman. No, no, you channel. We travel. Okay, now understand. You have to go you know, I will move there for easy. Also, when I home is you channel. Me hero is yen. I will not argument because as in the Mola, also know your movie video you are. Me can get why me follow me viewer. The funniest part now a video for 2 days. Una 47th view. You get na well. You can't say your way because a book winning. Understand? But we will reverse next time. Try again. But understand? Who kill the day which one see bono one. Who can your name no one uni. We na cave one. You understand? Since you respect easy. Talk the way you easy be you easy on you go. Why easy arrogant? No, then I be easy live. Easy no ya or kekona tissue ne kona police the via school is here via school is here. Oh, the live at Sharon. Oh, the live at easy no here. Understand? So imaka ka bo guye gbe because yon pa kan me. No ya bufo. You go ni easy fun agbona kan arera we. When easy also yi because they offer on you. You understand? Wani ya ka offer on. O come want you get me offer on woman I know. Every Friday you have you from hospital. O understand? O ya wo check up ye brain okay. O man na ya class ya we degi. Uku da no ayi na ji wona degi. O rasa. O rasa mu gede ya o. Na ogbon won. Understand? I know. Let ya binu. Agbona se omona ya mu bi ma mi wota. Eri oye mi ya gba ni fo. E kun mo so waro. So alle room aye go gaga ya gaga na pa bi ma mi wota. O mo no. So also na the way you only car about busy because you ain't man do okay. Easy is an off and on charge. Understand? Mami water do oh boy. Easy. Mami water do polo no fwa. Ni do ya yin no do ya mo me. Amo no ari me na no ri aye o no okay. Ya gas ni biu. Easy. O si e na mu wo tie bo me. Ige we on. Yeah, you boy when you think you know you're that good. You are too well, son, you are too easy. Is you know your man or Yona? Oh, yes, is that. Well, any what do you do? Okay, right now that we a Sharon. And we know you. A book over here, one is no better. Eti wewu won san ewu kere open kere do gele ro o on san because I don't know because we might even exist I don't know but pa now e Sharon o mu ye gbotoni easy you understand when no tell me go you ku you mu ye gboto easy ya mi we easy na respect me ye ona to tanya ye lu ye kwere Easy also say where ye shall not see ye. Nia coco, kuma gbe, Tivina ya swear. Hospital. Because you shall not like you. You shall not money and share away. So what you are trying to say is no more use. Why you are hitting on Masharona is because of the money in question. Because of the money and where we shall not buy worry. You don't even know who sued the hospital because I'm not giving you the clue. I'm not giving you the clue. I'm not carrying you along. You are angry. But that's aside, I will not say I will not sue the hospital. Now I conclude with Sharon. Then you start backing on each other. When no worker, no can no babu. Dot oku ne gele gba na ho do mo no gele me mo ho dot o na gele kokowo wa mo na kokowo wa ho o si wewu obi egwewe I will no memory you are supposed to march down to that house with that baby who ya go ko ni ro wa ni who ko ya go ye Sharon we as oku do if you genuinely love your friend. They can even think again when they won't think again because they are so shallow in brain in thinking. Do not get a love Sharon. As we speak now, you are with Sharon. War you in charge of everything. Where Sharon have your walk, baby. What is that representing? What is that representative of Sharon? Is Sharon that where all my joy? Obuye Sharon we are yet now. Obuye Sharon, ye Sharon give one who give one. Oh, you will now, and now, while you now, or what a little now, where are you? Go can I go? Don't Omonogili, don't know any book, you take a first, not the moji. Second, you start writing. First, people were not, nobody was talking to you. Then you were dropping lines. You become a writer. That's why I'm dropping line like that. Facebook not drop a post. This one I'm drop a post. You were scattering everywhere with your posts. Now drop post. You were shaking everywhere. The next you fall out for Ebony, Madame Yagbe. Now fall out Nebony, cause sister. Because you think we're telling think we're mathematics. But now you're good with him, of you with never respect. It's a dirty woman. Of you are so open. You are going to know your big man or respect. You know your big man or they okay. It's why I back on your guy cripple. In back on. You know your big man at the banner. Few. Go to Edo State, go and see. At the GRA, go and see many big man children. They are stupid. 85% of the young man, they're okay. He finish school. Are they put see when I create office already? Then go and look at their life. If they form big man, if they form bo, now they form big man. How you help? Let's have any stroke on the street with keke. When you go now, that visa like Adeobu. When you visa like Webu, where you were born with a silver spoon. The silver spoon not be away. A spoon not go where and make money at it. A silver spoon not be away. A spoon by Karike. Silver it all. Silver winner. Let us see if you will like police and hospital. You born with a silver spoon. I'm or any at there. It be net you. I'm not able to do police or yet the hospital. It be net over them almost said. Is she not contesting as a governor? She was once a House of Rep member. She ruled as a House of Rep for 4 years. Any other time when they were born with the silver spoon good here, even until now, she's still being right there, making ways. Whenever borrow away, mother of a guy, I was on Adriana Kuta. Nonsensical buhaha. Do my drink. I want you. And when I'm a webu, no go no. Look at the people you call your friends as buying that to you. They are poor rich family. The people you call your friend now, who are laying down for you, who are praising you, is it too good? Now you don't know. They are all poor rich family. Those guys, they are poor dirty family. Go check their background. They are nowhere to be found. Now, I brought them on the phone, big buga. Out with beauty camera. They are dirty women. They are very ugly, dirty women. How many of your friends did husband house? Point one. Let me tell you their family background. Let me tell you their character. Easy, no more. How many of your friends are married legally? Both home and abroad. No one. Even the so-called Sharon, the late friend, she was no one. She was never married. That one just a good Nigeria. Go they born they give you. Now they dance for someone around the form say they form a fizzy with bad attitude. Children will be matching finish at the end of the day. You come abroad finish. They go Nigeria, they carry belly, they come, they give your mom for abroad, and still you have no respect for your mother. For your mother to finish, you go down go outside because it's easy to open door for you make carry enter house. Who does that? Do you know what's called African mother? Discipline. African parents have discipline. Real African mother discipline their children, no matter where they are. They discipline their children. You go away one down or they don't hear you over. You get to what was say, oh, if I walk here, allow it be. I'm not being honest. No, now we're going to have a child in Nigeria. Oh, I want them. I say, police is known. You keep them all honey. But what, oh, when no, not be what they do. No, not be what they do. You don't want to your body, did you what? Who not hear you over? You get to our friendship. What dirty friendship is that? You just manipulate a woman who manipulate a shaman at the end, manipulate a woman and will not end the life of Ekbam. Now the next person you are focusing on is the brother. Okbame. Only will they manipulate now. When you succeeded manipulate that one and will end the life of Ekbam. All you wanted is Lee Sharon lose. That's your plan. You have ended up taking Sharon away. Lee Sharon losing or losing the Sharon now. The next thing you take your plan now, you know, you lose with it, Okbame. Because you know, or you, a life are there. Obun bueno. I'm a yesi, Obama yesi. A fool at 40 is a fool forever. You only bet you run this anyway. When you come, what the bass any? Oh, yeah, you know. It means, say, boy, or you in the hospital, or you in the hospital, or you don't grow up. In all these things, nothing Nigeria, in all this pain, agony, year passed through now. Obama could not sit down as a man, think, this is the only thing I have now at life. Whether good or bad, mother is mother. But on here, you back, or if you are the responsibility, you are back. And by yeah, make it, or you ask me, my so yeah. This is the time that she's supposed to cuddle our mother together. Easy move. I mean, I don't want to go about it. Relationship where you know what called I can't say. I get me away. It is young when you make color. My TV color you distance. I want to rock one if you want. You say wonderful. The boy, I will not go to my man. Here I will come with Pian Biori. You have a ton of them. My David, not your gallant. I said not on the way. They bust on the way. I'm married. Then one another no one. What may one much know? Abby, mad or young, well, I'm a viewer. But a brain with a woman went. No how go. Easy no mongoji, and one will how go. No more tie. Nemo you wesef no matter cocoa my wet, name dem. Where them dem. A ball law be. Why put a book with a boy your bull with blue Alaska check up. Era wa your double. Era no member yak bugakobe. Your double. I was sit down was a new guy. Useless friends. Why your service are sunk? How many of you went to go and visit Masharon at all? Say, I sorry. When you are in the movie industry, I've been a music industry. But why your service are sung? Why your church? How many of you guys? Why let me just leave you guys. Why you in the service of song? A picture of me Thursday and the post the Saturday alongside the service of song. When you know where after the career is a Sandra Agbogo. When they dey abroad, they go pretend to become good person just to grab people attention, collect money from the hand and spray for them. When you say Nigeria, you might well exist. Now, good idiot. Wetin no green who no get the hand you know. Now you cheer will be. Then you go know so you not get love for the day. Okay, me I go find work. Thank you very much. I better look for work. I don't get document. Now what can I look for now? Once since this will not be work. Now what can I look for? If you find me if you work, go they help for me. I beg. Get work. You will look for this matter, you don't get work. No, see, we your views have no money. As well. As well, they back out. Whatever. Don't know how to me. I'll say them why. Insult is very, very welcome. Insult is welcome. You can insult, you can blast me. Problem, you know. One of them here $2. You know, $2 can buy one pepperoni. Oh, $2 can buy pepperoni. Wa gbele yo ogun gba ni me accept the way de Rosie no wa fi Rosie me de Mary no wa fi Mary me e mo tale o ibe ba mo tale yo yan we elephant ruwe mo elephant yan we lion no gba mo yo mo lion lórí o o wa dan yan we lion we ba imi ho we ma pa wa mo lion no ma lion no wa so mo we fun o wa da kan mo yen o wa sa won yo ga bo iri ho ya ho o no ta ma ne bo ya gbo gbo to ma yan ko mo lion no wa TikTok I want my lion egg be. If I'm one big giant lion. The lion was for the way feeling what that come with the Gumaho. I want fear who about the Gumawa. When I listen, I want to talk again. And I want to how come? If them now 7 o'clock with the woman hospital. I got up, I want to see bay, I live not bay. The lion that bay. So, and I okay. I was from going to talk. I'm a lion man. And I have me on the lion man. I am lion man. Wa hemu me wa mo Rosie me wa ya mo Rosie yan mo Rosie yan wo ne hen yan wo sisi mo wa mo sisi me o sisi ogigo yan wo sisi ogigo ro en mi bu me TikTok na no ko mo sisi ogigo me wo na yan wo sisi ogigo no filo isini but wa ya mo ge bullet me ma ni ewu o sisi no me bullet wa ya mo ge bullet yan wo ogigo no ro wa filigo gbe me o ma understand yan wo sisi ogigo oruwe o ge bullet me do ge bullet ro wa ga yan wo ge bullet ro wa ya mo ge bullet ro oh, you go near feeding and waff, you go walk around. A table machine, I shift the table you can hear. You're going to have Veladian. You are Roy. Manasa. I must show you go. Why was you also sit on a bullet, man? Money of a bullet, Mario. Yasa. I am king of Smaya Zeki for 7 boy. Was a bull kiri. Idario who I make my day. Idario who allow a bullet. Idario who may feel, I may be at all. My day, what the was from ye. Marastan, wa gbelo go ro mi ni ya to lo kan yi mi kan ye musi Omo, no ni anya what so go ro. Owe bullet go. No. Mo what you comment, you know come away. The man at what so go ro this talk. She talk you na gbili go on, e dia na Facebook na start yang gbili dia. Start yang gbili dia. Heni ya gbili start me dia start my move put de. Ni be de dia na ele start on Facebook na wa gbili start na wa ya start wa la na wa. O do age bidi. O bara start. Donc Facebook na yango so go ro do client wa filo si go do e lion lo lion rock bo on. So that is smart yo. Even honya bari le dia is orieros me le dia is owoka woko gona hin daga woko general Erika Paris ona omo love na mure na wore yari we ba kan o tu mo love video ye kan vi love video da ko du poke bade o megbe na ya mo yo hun we love me odi na we age love ni bugbe ye ti dokun na bugbe ye ma okay ona ye okay o go mo screen me oni fi na we dia na ga iri screen na oni fi we dia oni ya da screen okay that's why I'm na screen me dia da screen we dia wonderful ona yo ya ge omo boli me okay le e boss wo we yan wa gbe bona e boss fa ni wo yan wa gbe bona okay asadi na be fedele asadi na na fedele okay asadi mo na mo sa tri ni mo na asadi me Facebook TikTok we dia wa de Facebook wa ge ya mo go me dia wa ge dia e dia na ya wa ge me bo yan e Facebook yan ri go me Facebook na yan ri go me e be ya wa go me ya wa ge me ya ge me dia donc il y a TikTok na donc il y a ko ni telebu on re bien abesi gomoda bo dia TikTok wa TikTok nya si gomoda siguna ibu TikTok ai si gomoda ni rejem ya ibu TikTok ya vie o da okay Erika wa fo egbe wa to yare ne ponu kiri wona re o edio ya mo be ni miati e big mo be ni o mo vasi be e bible we mu ni mena de me mo ni super da je mo bi salo bo e bu ni TikTok na ni mo be me ni wo bi ati odo wa egbe mo be ni ge ni verse to de Malachi verses 2 chapter 5 we mo be we mo na mo okay e bu ni mo TikTok dia wa de Facebook wa ge dia wa ge Facebook ni go gbe mo TikTok oh god ya de ni mo ni mena yi e god na hia bi e locket na mo yuru e locket o mo na e na sisa bi ebi na bi go na hin ni e me pa mo ni me na be sa be McDonald's e sa lo bua ya mo yare McDonald's ne ya mo yare McDonald's ite we gbe e ma kan le me o tan iwa gbe ma ye ko ya ge yan ti na la ki wona apple ma di apple e ka vi apple wo wa I have your banner wa obokun go mu apore o mu apore o fi apore ni mani ma have your banner wa na fi je e table ona e bread na ni bread ne wo na me te bread ye wa mo hisa lo bu okay if lo wane kidi na obo mi ona mu obi obo ya ri if lo wani me body ye mo se o dazi body ye mo se lo ri if lo ga me o hat na yo orion me wa orion me gute yo na ihe ya o salo boa we bo mateme ibu yin ya wona ye chinezi ya wona think ya agbo na ati TikTok ya wona ka o yo ka agbo ya na ati TikTok wona think ya agbo yo se wa shi TikTok na mani bo ya think ya ka agbo wa agbo ni ha bara sto mo se yan na de ti ya wa ri go me di na yo wa ko yo awote awese wa agbele me eni mu ati me ni mu ni ati bread me yan wa mo be bae amwe fu scarf paper me ni ati yan ze ti bi ya ri glass ya ati bi kaze ona gugu na ma ri glass ya de yo atemege da wisi o ko That was here, you are here gifting the one to talk with John. Oh, who go general, be a very young wood. And they get a young abu with John. Am I ever easy? I'm easy. I'm moving again. When I will use a coding. Wonderful. Let me ask you how much you talk here. My sister. In Nigeria, fabrica work. I buried the man when I can't carry one back water. What to do? I bet them my brother make another decay. And I would do none of the Saloba. Tia will watch you couldn't tell you talk your house alone. Wonderful. Yeah, man. Yaku. What do you do normal? And then I am found belly a rosy man and maybe bread many bread with her. I mean, I might get my room. And I go more by you. Wonderful. Why, I was one of it. Lucky. That TikTok is anyone Billy. You are peeing your body. You're peeing, where I talking about TikTok. TikTok, Facebook, Billy Love, I don't got tons of. Don't any tons of here talking. Oh, you do pump you with TikTok. The Facebook here, you know, they come in with share tons of it. Wait, I'm here, man. You let TikTok in Ghana, you don't even want to on Facebook. Imagine how many young appreciate a love like young opinion. Your why you do, or you're not salmon, or you're not battery. Oh, they only love like in the 5K. Only love 5K, 5.1. You are pure. If Facebook, give me love a lie. Thumbs up, press tozo, press nomogi. You are gear. You are giving me my person papa the fully self so for TikTok because of her. One rules. Oja mangili. You need to tell me webo. Wonderful. All the stress in your leg belly be like webo. He TikTok you don't have one you don't want piano. Oh ma, I'm married. I want you to know life like on the book again. What are you saying? Oh God, let me do my trick. I want you. That